Hi everyone. So today we have this small vacuum cleaner. This is usually for car. This one actually this model, this doesn't even have, I think, a proper model. You don't see here anywhere anything written. Here in the box it says Chezhiku. So anyway, this is, I guess, a general brand. And this actually, I have here, the model is this Chezhiku Czk-6604. So like a 12 volt plug for the car, and that's it. So today we will open this the vacuum cleaner. I will show how to open, and then we can you will have a guide how to open this. So let's start with it. We have here a few screws. This is Phillips screws. I will use this PH1 Phillips screwdriver, so we can start. So first of all, best is to take this part, the front part, so where we have the filter and the box for the dirt. So let's press it and open it. This side to the side, and you can see nothing more, just here the screws, and here we will need to cut this seal. Let me see if I have here something to cut. I do, so let's do it first, and that's it. So let's take the screws off for this part. Okay, and actually there was one more here. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 5. This one I was not able to take it out. I think it's unscrewed, but let's see. And then we just pull it, and you could see that it came off right away. Yeah, it was the button here from the top. I don't know exactly how. Yes, like this. It has here a place where it fits, and this jumped right away. So actually it's more or less straightforward. I was just pulling, it didn't want to come out, so I just pulled a bit, and actually it went out right away. So what more? And just here the cable. This is the other button, on and off. And here the motor. Let's see if I can take these out. Yeah, so we just pull it, and that's it. Now how to take these? This seems to be glued, so we might have issues. Okay, so this is the inside part that turns over here. So I wonder, well, there was here some dirt inside, but besides these, let's see. Yeah, this is here, actually it's glued. I wonder if we can take this apart. Let me check with here. These might be some kind of seal, so we might be able to pull it. It feels a bit glued, so yeah. Okay, so it came out actually. So you can see here some ridge here in the middle, so it's where it holds it in place. You can see over there. So sorry. So yeah, and then this part just comes out, and then here we have this one. Okay, so I think these, I'm not sure if we can take something more apart, Of course, the motor we could take it apart over here, but we would need to over here use something, see it like this, oops, like this, and open. I will show maybe closer, easier you could see. This piece of metal here is bent inside, so this is to hold in place. So if we want to open the motor, we need to open it a bit to be able to open the motor. This part, actually, we just pull it if you want to take off this, let's say, fan, and just fits. So then you just twist a bit. Now I was able to take it. Now I'm not able. Actually, this is very sharp here, so it's very tricky. But I was just taking it, so let's do it by the bottom, a bit from one side, a bit from the other, and then it just goes out, just like that. As well, we have here a couple of screws as well, Phillips screws. So let's take them out, just for you to see. Okay. They are more or less in place, and then here we have the motor itself. But yes, so for now I will not open the motor. I don't see the need to open it, but if you guys want, just please write in the comments, and then I can open it. And this is it. This is how you disassemble this small vacuum cleaner. Usually this is called like a vehicle vacuum cleaner because mostly of this plug. But yeah, I think there is plenty of similar ones, so I guess more or less they are very similar, the way to open. So these, I guess, might be similar. So if you have something that looks like this one, so probably it will have a similar setup. So hopefully this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.